Good morning, children. As promised to all of you, today we begin with our new series, Animal Atlas, Call of the Wild. And as I had informed you earlier, in this series we will be talking to you regarding lots of different kinds of animals, known and unknown to you. And we'll be talking about the habitats of these animals, whether they are endangered, which regions they are found, what are their habits and their lifestyles, so much more information about these animals. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this journey. And as you all know, recently we celebrated the International Tigers Day. Grade 2 and 3 children performed a fantastic tiger dance and gave us a lot of information about tigers. So this month, or rather this week, we shall continue to celebrate tigers and felines. So starting in that series, today, to begin the entire episode or the series of Animal Atlas.
Now let's see what Srujani ma'am has brought for us in the world of fantastic felines. And Srujani ma'am, over to you.
Fantastic felines. So the animals we call cats, both domestic and wild, belong to the family Felidae. Cats are native to almost every region on Earth with the exception of Australia and Antarctica. They are carnivorous mammals that live in a wide variety of habitats, but they are typically woodland animals. Meet some of the fantastic felines found around the world. Rusty spotted cat. So the rusty spotted cat is one of the smallest cat species in the world, with a body length of about 40 centimeters. It has only been recorded in India, Sri Lanka, and Nepal. They have been observed hiding in trees, likely to avoid larger predators. So the jaguarundi looks a little bit like an otter. So with an elongated body of about 70 centimeters, rounded ears, a small snout and short legs, but it is a wild cat found in Central and South America. So jaguarundis live in range of habitats from rainforests to deserts. But in more open areas, they usually stick to vegetation for cover. They are very agile when moving above ground through the trees. They hunt during the day, usually preying on small mammals, birds, and reptiles. Caracoles. Caracoles are a wild cat species found in Africa, the Middle East, and Central Asia in a range of habitats from semi-desert to open savanna. These are medium-sized, stocky cats with a body length of about 74 centimeters and are easily identified by their sandy fur, distinctive black stripes on the forehead, and large ear tufts. Caracoles will hunt small to medium-sized mammals, including smaller antelopes, as well as reptiles, rodents, and some plants. They are also excellent bird hunters, able to leap up more than 4 meters to capture their prey in mid-air. You know, children, an adult lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away. A tiger's pattern is like a fingerprint. No two patterns of stripes are exactly the same.
Some people just like to have wild animals inside their house, but what can you do? Today we prepared a top 5 list of dangerous house cats you might want to avoid due to their wild heritage. Number 5. Bengal. Bengal cats were developed by selective breeding from hybrids of Asian leopard cats with domestic cats in the 70s. Due to their wild heritage, they have large spots, rosettes, and a white belly. Bengal cats are known for their affinity toward water and require a lot of attention from their owners. They're highly intelligent and like to play games such as fetch and other tricks. When bored, they're known to play with buttons and switches on household appliances. If you want one, you'll have to make sure that you get one that's at least 4 generations removed from the original crossing. Not only would it be safe for you to do so, it will be a requirement in many countries. Number 4. Savannah. Priced from $1,500 to $50,000, Savannahs are the most expensive cats in the world. This is due to their careful mix of wild traits with domestic ones. Crossbred between the Siamese and the Serval, different generations of Savannahs are given different designations. For example, F1s are the first generation and are at least 50% Serval. F2s are second generation, and so forth. If you're thinking about owning one, it should be at least F2 just to be safe. Also, Savannahs are excellent jumpers. Take a look at this. That's a 7 feet vertical jump. They're also known to be dog-like in some ways. For example, look at this F4 Savannah go out on a walk with their owners. That should turn some heads. Number 3. Canada Lynx. The Canada lynx is a member of the genus Lynx and is classified under the family Felidae. It has a dense silvery brown coat with tufted ears and can grow over twice the size of a normal domestic cat. Usually found in the top half of the North American continent, these cats are truly wild animals without any domestic blood in them. However, some cat enthusiasts actually keep them as pets inside their house, and apparently they're happy to stay indoors and be pampered. This Canada lynx actually purrs when petted. Number 2. Serval. Servals are wild cats that originate from Africa. They are a slender, medium-sized cat that has a small head and large ears. They have a golden coat, spotted and striped in black, and a short black tipped tail. Also of interesting note, the serval has the longest leg of any cat relative to its body size. Just take a look at this crazy jump. That's gotta be at least 10 feet. Servals are active, not only in the day, but also during the nighttime. They're excellent hunters and prefer to hunt, eat, and play by themselves. Despite their wild and unsocial nature, people have kept them as pets since ancient Egyptian times. This dangerous tradition continues to modern times despite strict regulations by most countries. Number 1. Bobcat. Bobcats are a North American cat that roams the territory between southern Canada and central Mexico. They're usually tan to grayish-brown with streaks on their body and bars on the foreleg and tail. Bobcats hunt rabbits and hares in the wild, but I guess they eat fancy feasts just like any other respectable cat in the house. Because believe it or not, some people actually let bobcats hang around on their dinner tables. When seeing this, most people would just assume that they're normal house cats until they're told the truth, or until they hear this horrifying hiss growl.